Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson in the kingdom of fools. In our previous session we came to know that the king and minister thought the owner of the house, the merchant, was the cause for the death of the thief. That's why they someone means called that merchant to the court. And they asked about the event. Then merchant accepted that his house wall was weak and that fell on the thief. Because of that, the thief died. Then king and minister decided that the merchant was the responsible person for that death. Then that merchant said, actually the wall was not built by him. It was built by another person. He did not build that wall properly. That's why that person who had built that wall, he must be punished. Now let us continue the lesson. Who is that? My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. Then king asked, who is that? Then merchant replied, my lord, this wall was built in my father's time. I know the man who built that wall. He is an old man now. He lives nearby. At present, he is an old man and he lives nearby. The king sent out messengers to bring the bricklayer who had built the wall. They brought him tied hand and foot. Then king sent his messengers to bring the bricklayer. Bricklayer means a person who builds the walls. They brought him tied hand and foot. The messengers brought that old man tying his hand and foot. You there, did you build this man's house in his father's time? Then king asked that old man, bricklayer, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? Then that man accepted, yes, my lord, I did. What kind of wall is this that you built? It has fallen on poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. Then king asked that old man, what kind of wall did you build? It had fallen on that poor man and killed him. See here, king is treating that thief as a poor man. Okay. He was not culprit, like that he was treating that thief. See, it has fallen on the poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. So, you are the responsible for the death of that thief. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. That's why we are going to punish you by death. Before the king could order execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, please listen to me before you give your orders. It is true, I built this wall and it was no good, but it was because my mind was not on it. Before king could give his order of execution means death penalty. Okay. Before king was ordering the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, he requested, please listen to me before you give your orders. It is true, I built this wall and it was no good. Yeah, I agree that I built that wall and that was no good. But it was because my mind was not on it. It happened so because when I was building that wall, my mind was not on my work. What made him to distract? Say, I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her anklet jingling, and I couldn't keep my eyes and mind on the wall I was building. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. Then he says, I remember very well a dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her anklets jingling. Yes, when I was building all of this merchant, that time a dancing girl, she was going up and down that side and this side of that street all day. Okay, not only one or two times. Continuously she was going that side and this side. With her anklets jingling, and while she was walking, she was making the sound of her anklet. Anklet means a piece of jewelry worn around the anklet. Okay. Sorry, ankle. Okay. So while she was walking, she was making sound of her jingling sound of her anklet. And I couldn't keep my eyes and mind on the wall I was building. That's why I couldn't concentrate on my work. I couldn't keep my eyes and mind on the wall I was building. I was observing that dancing girl. That's why I could not concentrate on my work. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. That's why you must get that dancing girl. Because of her only I was distracted that day. So you have to ask that lady. You must give punishment to that lady, dancing girl. I know where she lives. You are right. The case deepens. We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. Let's get that dancer wherever she is. Then king said, yes, you are right. The case deepens. Deepens means it is becoming more and more complicated. We must look into it. We must look into it. Look into means investigate. We have to investigate it properly. It is not easy to judge such complicated case. Judging this kind of complicated case is not easy job. Let us get that dancer wherever she is. So let us call that dancing girl to our court wherever she is. The dancing girl, now an old woman, came trembling to the court. Then that old dancing, now she became old woman. Okay. The dancing girl who now an old woman came trembling to the court. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? And king asked that dancing girl. Did you walk up and down the street many years ago while this poor man was building the wall. Did you see him? King asked. Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. Yes, I remember it very well. Like this, that lady said. Then what happened? Let us continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.